California Women Lawyers is a place where you can be a part of something bigger. California Women Lawyers has been a voice for women since 1974. A CWL newsletter from October 1976 is clipped here, showing the Board of Governors from that time, and also an election recap saying that for the first time in the 126-year history of California, the all-male state Senate is being invaded by a woman. There's still a lot of work to be done, as we know, in the California legislature. There's also a sign from that year saying equal work deserves equal pay. Well, the more things change, the more they stay the same. This same sign is making its rounds on Facebook right now. So where are some of those Board of Governors from that 1976 issue now? Well, Dean Kay was the Dean of Bolt Hall from 1992 through 2000. She's made an amazing impact on California women lawyers' lives. Louise Rennie is the former San Francisco City Attorney for 16 years and now heads the public interest litigation and elder financial abuse practice at Public Law Group. She's still going strong and doing great work. Some other notable names include Mary Louise Frampton, who's the faculty director at the Thelton E. Henderson Center for Social Justice at UC Berkeley School of Law, and Arlene Coleman Schwimmer, a family law attorney and the mother of actor David Schwimmer from Friends. These women have made contributions in a wide variety of ways in their careers and in their lives. We're honored to call them friends and mentors of CWL. So why should you join California Women Lawyers? CWL is the only statewide organization with the mission of advancing women in the legal profession and in society. Let's look at the numbers to see why this mission is so relevant today. In the top right side, you see a chart showing that since about 1993, women have comprised 50% of JD candidates. That's fantastic. But if you look at the charts on the left side of the screen, this shows that in 1993, women were only 38% of associates in law firms and only 12% of partners in law firms. Moving ahead to 2011, right below, you can see that women associates are about 43%. However, women partners in law firms are still only 19%. A 2013 ABA Commission on the Women in the Profession report has a few more numbers for us. Associates and summer associates are 45% women. That's great. Partners, only 19.9%. Equity partners, it's even worse. Only 15% of equity partners in law firms are women. And of the 200 largest law firms, only 4% of them have women managing partners. The numbers don't lie. There's a lot of work that needs to be done. Another great reason to support CWL through your membership is to help us in our efforts to achieve diversity on the bench. CWL works very closely with the Governor's Office to promote diversity on the bench, and we also endorse judges on a nationwide basis. The need is there. In the California judiciary, only about 30% of women are judges. In the federal judiciary, it's about the same, 30% women judges. We can and should do better. CWL also participates actively in legislative efforts. We support legislation that furthers our mission to advance women in the law and society, including legislation to eliminate human trafficking and sex crimes against minors, legislation addressing the rape loophole for trickery due to intimate relationships, and Senate Recommendation 62, urging California corporations to have at least 1/3 women board of directors within 3 years. In the coming years, CWL will sponsor annual lobby days, which will present a great opportunity for our members to lobby in Sacramento with us. CWL is also a national voice for California women lawyers. We serve as the liaison to national organizations, including the National Association of Women Judges and the National Conference of Women's Bar Associations. At the National Conference of Women Bar Associations Annual Leadership Summit, we have an opportunity to present what California women lawyers are doing as affiliates and what we're doing as an organization on a national level and give our recommendations to other women's bar associations across the country. We also provide a lot of amicus opportunities for our members. We write or join in amicus briefs in cases that affect women's rights, including, of course, Hollingsworth versus Perry, supporting marriage equality, and also People versus Beltran, which challenges an overturned murder conviction in a domestic violence case. We also sponsor the award-winning So You Want to Be a Judge seminar, which demystifies the judicial application process. We connect our members with judicial mentors, and we work to educate our members interested in becoming judges about how to do that. It's attended by Secretary Joshua Groban and dozens of judges. It's a fantastic event that we put on every year. We have a wonderful publication, the CWL News. We reach 3,000 recipients with topical articles. We have editorial support for any of our members who want to write articles to reach those recipients. In our newsletter, we have some great affiliate promotion opportunities. We love showcasing what our affiliates do throughout the state. They put on some wonderful events for networking and for education of women attorneys, and we fully support their efforts and look to promote them at any opportunity. CWL also presents a lot of awards and scholarships on an annual basis. The CWL Foundation provides academic stipends for women as they prepare for the bar exam or work their way through law school. The recipients are selected by our affiliates, and they've demonstrated commitment to the advancement of women in the legal profession. Some additional CWL annual awards include the Rose Bird Memorial Award to an outstanding jurist in Northern California and the Joan Dempsey Klein Distinguished Jurist Award in Southern California. Both of these awards come with great receptions where you can meet the recipients of the award. We also present the Judith Soley Lawyer as Citizen Award, the Faye Stender Award, and Women of Achievement Awards, which go to our members who have done remarkable things in the law that year. CWL also provides tremendous CLE and networking opportunities at our events. We host an annual CLE conference each year that presents cutting-edge programs specifically directed at the advancement of women in the law and the issues that are particular to women lawyers. In 2013, our annual conference keynote speaker was Nancy Pelosi. This event sells out, and it's really fantastic. Our annual dinner is spectacular as well. It's held in September of each year and typically attended by about 500 attorneys from across the state. This is where we hand out our awards, and it's a fantastic networking experience. So how do you join? How can you be a part of this amazing organization, be a part of something bigger, make your voice heard, and help the advancement of women in the legal profession and in society? Go to our website, www.cwl.org. When you're there, click on the Join CWL Now button, and then step 3 is to complete the membership form. The rates are extremely reasonable for our affiliate members, and for judges, government employees, public interest, it's $85. Our non-reduced membership is $175. If you're a law student or if you're in your first year of practice, it's free. We want you to be a part of this organization. You could also join as a lifetime member. It's very easy. We encourage you to do it right away. So join California Women Lawyers today so that you too can be a part of something bigger.